Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Paula Perez. We just had our roof done about a couple weeks ago by Masters Home Solutions, and the experience was wonderful. Very professional, samples of everything we're going to do, choices that we could have, and from there, depending on what we wanted, what materials to use, that determined the price. It was more than I expected, but they have a financing program which made the decision much easier for us to take.
My name is Julio Perez. Again, Paula's husband. They did a perfect job, excellent job. I recommend them to anybody. Our next door neighbor, he's planning to do his, and he said he will definitely use them when he's ready to do his roof.
Yeah, Masters Home Solutions. Everybody keeps asking us, "Where'd you do this? Where'd you do that?"
Yep.
Because it's very distinctive roofing and just beautiful. It matches everything, matches the whole neighborhood. So thank you, Masters Home Solution. We'll be calling you when we're ready to do the next project.
Yes.